This is Joe Pye weed. It's finally blooming. And every year it pulls in this really beautiful insect called the webworm. That's webworm. But let's see. There it is. Look at those colors. That's a work of art, in my opinion. Beautiful. Absolutely. Usually they come in a whole bunch of numbers. When they're together, it's really cool. I see another one, but he's on another flower. Very cool. This bug is so tiny. He looks big on camera. When I back away, you'd never see him if you were not looking for that insect. But I was looking. I'm always looking. But yep, the Joe Pye weed's finally blooming. Pretty. Ciao for now. Thank you, Mother Nature.